Hello and welcome to another video. This is a Dyson V6 cordless vacuum and this doesn't work. Now today I'm going to be having a look at it and I'm going to be showing you how to fix the particular problem that I've got. So without further ado, let's have a look. So to start with, I'll give you a little bit of background into what's gone on. Now, we've had problems in the past with this, with the motor pulsing a little bit. Now, that's simply because the filter that goes in the top needed cleaning. But this time, when we tried to use it, click the trigger, nothing happened, except for a blinking red light. Now, this red light actually blinks 32 times. Now, I did a little bit of reading online and I've actually spoken to Dyson themselves, who tell me that it's a battery pack failure. Now, Dyson offered to sell me a battery pack because this is about 6 months out of warranty. So Dyson offered to sell me one for about £65. Now, I personally like to shop around for things like this. I don't always go with genuine parts if it's out of warranty. If they just said, oh, it's wear and tear and it needs a replacement part, but it's still in warranty for everything else, then I will get a genuine part. But this time I decided I'm going to save a few pounds and see what a third party one would be like from Amazon. So I had a look around on there and I found a few that were around £26, £27. But in the end, I settled on this. This is a Floureon 21.6 volt, 3000 milliamp battery. Now the reason that I went for this one is that the battery pack on the original is 2100 milliamp hours. So hopefully it's going to give a little bit longer run time. So let's get the box open and see what's inside. So inside the box you'll get what they call a user manual, which is in English and German. Basically it's just safety rules. There's no information on how to actually change it, but luckily I know already how to do that. So put that down there, don't need that. And you get the battery pack itself. Now comparing the two, you can see they're exactly the same size. The new one's a little bit shinier and it's got Floureon written there on the base and all the information about the battery pack. So in order to swap the battery over, you need three things. You need a screwdriver. You of course need the new battery, and you need to have taken the bin off the vacuum. Now if you don't know how to take the bin off, I'll show you that right now. Basically you open the bin up and then you pull down again and pull the bin away. It sometimes takes a little twist, but there you go. How to get it back on is just as simple. Just line it up, make sure that this little plastic bit in here lines up, and just click it back into place. There you go. That's how to remove and replace the bin. Now this is so you can get to the screw, which is under there. And there's another screw which is here. So first thing to do is to undo the screws. So first of all, undo the screw on the back. Very gently until it won't go any further. So it just falls out into your hand. And then take out the screw here. Like so. You want to go gently. Put the screws together. And then you simply pull it out. Now to fit the new one, just slide it in, fits absolutely fine. Take your screws, just until it's tight enough that it won't go. Go very gently with the screws, don't want to over tighten them. Together. And now for the moment of truth. So there we go. I'll be keeping an eye on this, make sure that I fully charge it. Although with it being a lithium battery, it is probably best to let it drain all the way first and then do a full charge. Let it drain again, do a full charge a few times just to get it working to its full capacity. Okay, so now it's about 5 months later and I've got to say that this has been performing brilliantly. The extra time that we get from the larger capacity battery is about right. It's about a third extra running time on it. The battery is great. It's not overheated at all. We've had no problems. It's never refused to charge. It's never given us any issues whatsoever. So in 5 months, that's been fantastic. Hopefully it goes on for a lot longer. Now, you can get higher capacity batteries that I've seen online on Amazon in the UK and the US, up to 4,000 megahertz, maybe even more. Obviously, I've not tried one of those, so I can't really recommend those, but if you want to try that, that's great. It's up to you. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. So yeah, so fantastic little fix there, and I'm really glad that I did it, and I'm really glad that I could share it with you. So I hope this has helped you in some way. If it has, leave a like and a comment down below. I'll leave links in the description below to the third-party battery that I bought and to the official Dyson ones as well. So give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.